Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the nitty-gritty of passport applications to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into episode 513, How to Write Height on Your Passport Application for 2025. If you're applying for a passport or renewing one, you know that every detail counts, and getting your height right can save you from headaches later. So, let's jump right in. First off, why does height matter? Most governments use it as a security feature to match your physical description. For 2025 applications, many countries are standardizing to metric units like centimeters to streamline digital processing, but some, like the US, still prefer feet and inches. Always check your country's specific guidelines on their official website to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Measure accurately. Stand straight against a wall with a flat surface on your head, and use a tape measure for precision. For example, if you're 5 feet 10 inches tall, that's about 178 centimeters. Write it down clearly, don't guess. Now, when filling out the form, use the exact format required. In the US, you might write it as 5 feet 11 inches, or 5 feet 11 inches. For international applications, like those under the 2025 EU standards, use centimeters only, such as 178 centimeters. Double-check for any new 2025 updates. Some forms now have drop-down menus or auto-conversion tools in online portals to make this easier. A common mistake? Forgetting to convert units or writing it illegibly. Always verify against the application instructions to ensure accuracy. If you're unsure, consult a professional at a passport agency. They're there to help. Finally, once you've got it right, review your entire application before submitting. Height might seem minor, but it's part of building a reliable identity profile. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.